Julie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you an update on my 6-month microlog, and it's been a 6 month today, the 19th of October 2025, since I started my microlog journey. It's been a challenging, a wonderful and exciting time for me, even to decide to lock my hair. The freedom I get from locking my hair is enjoyable. I'm not worried about tying my hair. I'm not worried about detangling my hair. I get up in the morning, I shake my hair, brush it through with my fingers, and I'm good to go. And that gives me a lot of freedom, that I'm not so worried about what to do in my hair in the morning. If anything, just sometimes I spray it with water and I'm good to go. And I'm going to compare, and those of you that are new to my channel, I'm going to show you. Okay, so the first month, how my hair looks like. The first day my hair was started on a stretched hair, so it's been very thin and long. However, you could see my scalp through, but you can see from the first month, after 1 month, and then you can see also this is the second month. The hair has shrunk. However, with the shrinkage comes a lot of thickening. You see my scalp less with each month, and this is the third month. I didn't do any video because I realized there's not much difference between the third month and the second month, but I did a video on the fourth month, and so much shrinkage as well on the fourth month compared to the second month. And the fifth month I had a retie. However, I did not do any video because there was not much difference from the fourth month and the fifth month. And as you can see, more shrinkage, but however my hair continues to thicken and grow. And today is month 6, and I know most of you are eager to take a look at how my hair has grown and transition. So if you're ready, I'm going to give you a tour and give you a 360-degree turn around as to how my hair currently looks like. All right, just join me. Okay, as you can see, it's been a month or 4 weeks since I have had a retie. I have some new growth, but not so much, so I don't intend to, or I don't have time to do a retie even at this point. My last retie was at month 5. I have a lot of gray hair at my roots, as you can see. And my edges are growing as well. I have some baby lock right here. So you can see the back of my hair, the hair there is thicker compared to the hair at my front, and some of the hair at my back have started locking. They still stretch though. Okay, so that's it. If you enjoy my video and you would like to see how my hair continues to grow at 7-8 months, just let me know, and I'll see you. And thank you for watching. If you like my video, like, comment, and subscribe. You have a blessed and a wonderful day. God bless.